I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to program a Jeep Wrangler key fob. First, gather all the key fobs you intend to program, including any existing ones. Make sure your vehicle's battery is fully charged to avoid interruptions. It's also a good idea to have your owner's manual handy, as it may contain specific details for your model. This process is straightforward and can save you a trip to the dealership. To begin, sit in the driver's seat with all your key fobs. Insert an already programmed key into the ignition and turn it to the on position, then immediately OFF. Repeat this sequence a specific number of times, usually 3 or 4 within 10 seconds. Your vehicle's security light should illuminate, indicating it's in programming mode. This step is crucial for the system to recognize new fobs. Once in programming mode, insert the new, unprogrammed key fob into the ignition. Turn the ignition to the on position for about 5 seconds, then turn it OFF. Now, press any button on the new key fob. You should hear a chime or see a light flash, confirming successful programming. Repeat this for any additional new key fobs you have, ensuring each one is recognized by the system. After programming all your key fobs, turn the ignition to the OFF position and remove the key. This action will exit the programming mode. Now, take each key fob and test its functions, such as locking, unlocking, and the panic button. Ensure they all work correctly. If any fob isn't working, you might need to repeat the programming steps for that specific one. Congratulations, you've programmed your key fobs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.